So who's to say you can't escape? It's not too late, I'm crazy with wordplay. I'm taking notes, but no, this is not an essay. It's not easy to say. The soul is simply something you can never give away. People wonder how I got this way. It's in my DNA to disobey. The first to say what I gotta say. They made me a slave, it gave me a name. And to this day, living in the A. Nicotine in the brain, I guess all the pain made me grow up in a way. Cause I could still put the Glock in your face and blow you away. This block is sound, homie, you could get shot for the fame. My hourglass, it's on its last grain. I'll outlast your last days. Better hear what I say, the revolution's on its way. If you wanna be immortal, listen to what text say. I'm down with pistol play, every house should own an AK. With that full metal jacket down south with like that wood grain. The hoe will leave you shook, man. Cause the ones that control know everything. Watching you behind your TV screen. Some prick is listening, talking about what vice mean. Yeah. But there's a reason why Pandora's box was never locked. Cursed with curiosity, human beings were never meant to know a lot. I'm living in the egg, but I'm just a crock. The ugly duck, I don't fly with the flock. Knowledge is my passion, I hope you never forgot. Knowledge is power, my mind's sick, I'm done, that's it. No vaccine for it, dismiss the clips I never miss. Life is too depressing to fix. I cut a smile in your lips. Watch the beetles and the locusts come and feast on your skin. Herb got me coughing once again. Put you in a coffin, never witness light again. Have you feeling like this life you living is a sin?